Now we've got something here that somebody's going to want. I know I don't want. This is a twin blade switchblade. And one blade is serrated, the other blade is unserrated. Made in the USA. It's got a John Deere logo on it. Apparently that's all the rage now. I don't know why the fuck anybody's so impressed with a tractor, but anyway, if you're watching this, Irene, I apologize for the language. I guess somebody'd want this, but like I say, you know, comes with a sheath. It's a well-made knife, no doubt about that. I shouldn't be so negative about my products, but oh, yeah, I forgot to tell you, this thing has the reason I couldn't close that. I'll open them up again, and I will close them again. One-handed, may still have fingers by Christmas. But here is a little gizmo. You press down, you press it down, and it locks it. Okay, that's locked. Just bring it back, and it opens. Bring it back, and it opens. So there you have, beautiful knife, wonderful knife here, made in the USA. It says right there. Would I lie? John Deere, for you tractor lovers out there. I guess it's a kind of a practical knife. Sometimes you don't need serrated, sometimes you do. Or if your hand is real small, make one hell of a fighting knife, but we don't sell them for that though, do we, folks? These are collector's items. No sales to maniacs. Okay? My conscience is bad enough. I don't need it any worse. So there you go, the John Deere double-bladed switchblade. And you know where you can get it. And I'll let you know how much when you get a hold of me. It won't be much, I'll tell you that much. Okay, bye-bye.